patches. Yes, some patches, mustards, Winia, whatever on the side, we turn around that for more activities. We'll perform live at PILOLOO Street Art Festival. We're here at the PILOLOO Street Art Festival, Wadada spot near Ocran Lane, Adabraka. It's going to be an incredible celebration of art and community. It's me, Alexander Music, and Katey Ocansey, and friends, don't miss this year's PILOLOO Street Festival 2025. Katey Ocansey and friends live at PILOLOO Art Festival, Adabraka. Get ready! Hey, it's your girl Katey Ocansey and friends on a live interview. Oh, Adabraka, get ready for PILOLOO 2025. Ebafina Penny at PILOLOO 2025.